Get ready for Uptown Soul. It's Motown to Soul Train. Starring America's Got Talent finalist Peterkin.
Then you do the Ray Charles and you got it.
You came here to fulfill a dream. You are one step nearer going to base.
He's Peterkin. Multi-talented out here. Great job, sir. Great job.
Rolling, 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 rolling.